there's that moment, right? Maybe you're in your 30s, your 40s, and you're doing the same things you've always done, but suddenly the weight just starts creeping on.
Yeah.
Especially around the middle. It feels like the game changed and nobody gave you the new rule book.
That's a perfect way to describe it. And, the rules have changed, but it's not about food. Not really.
It's not.
It's about the messages, the instructions your body is getting.
Okay, so that's what we're digging into. We're looking at some really interesting stuff from Blood Test UK.
Right.
And our mission today isn't another diet plan. It's to find those hidden messengers, the body's helpers or hormones that are telling you to store fat instead of build muscle.
Exactly.
Right.
Because it's not about willpower. It's about your body's chemistry.
So where do we start? What's the big guy in charge for men?
Well, the head project manager is definitely testosterone.
Okay, testosterone. I think most guys know, it means muscle.
It does. It tells your body to build muscle and burn fat. But what Blood Test UK points out is how modern life is almost designed to lower it.
How so?
All the sitting. You sit all day at a desk, your body gets the signal that it doesn't need all that muscle.
Because you're not using it?
You're not using it, and you add in processed foods, and your levels they dip. And the first thing that happens is you start getting more belly fat.
Wow. Okay, so that's one messenger. But you mentioned stress. I mean, we all feel stressed, especially, say, commuting into a busy city like London.
And that's cortisol, the stress hormone.
Right.
Think of it like this. Your body thinks a lion is chasing you. So it floods you with cortisol to get you ready to run or fight.
Which is great if there's a lion.
Exactly. But there isn't. It's just a late train or a nasty email. You're not running anywhere. You're just sitting there stewing.
So all that energy has nowhere to go.
Nowhere. And here's the kicker. Cortisol loves to store that unused energy as fat right around your tummy. Yeah. It wants to keep fuel close to your organs for the next emergency. So your daily commute is literally helping build that belly fat.
That's terrifying. And I guess this gets worse when you add in, our daily snacks, the tea and biscuits.
Oh, absolutely. That brings in the next helper, insulin.
Yeah.
Its job is to handle sugar.
Okay.
But if you're constantly snacking, your body has to pump out so much insulin that your cells, they just get tired of it. They start to ignore the signal.
They become resistant.
Yes. And high insulin is like a giant stop sign for fat burning. It tells your body, do not burn fat, only store it.
So you have low testosterone, high cortisol, and insulin locking it all in. It's a perfect storm for gaining weight.
It's a triple threat.
And this explains why some nights you can't stop eating. You find yourself at the fridge at midnight.
That's not your fault. That's a hormone called ghrelin, the hunger hormone.
Ghrelin.
The information from Blood Test UK really highlights this. If you don't sleep well, your ghrelin levels shoot up.
So you feel hungrier.
Way hungrier. And leptin, the hormone that says, hey, you're full, it just disappears. So your brain is screaming, eat! And the stop button is broken.
So what can you actually do? It sounds like you're fighting your own body.
You are, but you can change the signals. You can reverse engineer it.
How?
Start with real food, whole foods, things that don't come in a packet.
Yeah.
It keeps your insulin calm.
And for testosterone, hit the gym.
Yep. Lifting weights. Specifically, that sends a powerful signal that your body needs muscle. And honestly, the biggest thing is sleep.
Sleep.
7 or 8 hours, it's probably the best fat-burning tool you have. It resets those hunger hormones and lowers the stress.
And the benefits, they're not just about looking better, are they?
Not at all. It's about having more energy, thinking clearer, just feeling capable again.
And I guess you don't have to just guess what's wrong.
That's the key takeaway from Blood Test UK. You shouldn't guess. You can actually do a blood test for these hormones.
So you can see if it's your testosterone or maybe your thyroid, which is like the body's speed dial for burning energy.
Precisely. You find the actual problem instead of just trying random diets. It's not that you're lazy, it's that your chemistry's off.
Fix the message and the body will follow. I love that.
That's the whole game.
So a final thought to leave everyone with then. Is it possible that your job, your city, your daily commute is actually changing the shape of your body without you even knowing it?
That's the question, isn't it?